Hi everyone, this is Sharon at withyou.blogspot.com. My name is Sharon Lim. I'm a Stampin' Up! Independent demonstrator. I'm here to show you this lovely fun fold card I learned from Cindy Wilkinson. Not only do I like this lovely corner part that you can tuck in the front in, but I love the fact that it uses half a sheet of 8.5 by 11. So let's get started. You're going to start with a sheet of 8.5 by 11. You want to score it at 5.5. And then you want to cut 3 inches off the ends. Then you want to get 2 pieces of Whisper White. One that is 2 3/4 by 4 and 5 1/4 by 4. And they fit perfectly on the pieces that you just cut. A little adhesive there. Center it there. Some adhesive here. And you want to make sure it's centered underneath a score line that you just made. Then you're going to take some DSP, and you want one piece that is 2 1/4 by 4, and then you want one that is 2 inches square, and then you're going to cut it diagonally. You're going to use one piece of these. So a little more adhesive here. You're going to fold along the score line and center it on here. Then you're going to use the corner piece, but remember, only put the adhesive on the edges so you have that part to be able to tuck in. And you want to center it on the bottom right edge, and it's up to you. You can also center it on the left side if you'd like. Then with this piece, you're going to decorate it, and I'm using the honeybee set, and we're going to stamp out the hive. In Daffodil Delight, and then the words in Memento. It's really cute. It says, "Wishing you sunshine and happiness." There you go. So my secret tip for you here is to put some adhesive on the top of this card and on the bottom part of this. So as you tuck it in, you want to center it from here and here before you press down. And as a last bit of accent, I cut this out with the die and put a little bit of Daffodil Delight on the back so it looks like a real bee. So I also use the Peaceful Moments and Painted Poppies set to make some more with a different paper. So I just wanted to show that. Let me scoot that over. All right. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please visit my blog at sharonatwithyou.blogspot.com and follow it if you'd like. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.